Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this acrylic sign holder. So I want to show you guys what this is here. It's gonna give you, it's a whole bunch of them here. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, I guess. And it comes, oh, they're all stuck together. Hold on one second. Let me take them apart. Maybe. Okay. So I'll get one out here. Okay, so this is what it looks like here, and it comes with plastic over it, so that is why it is foggy right now. There's no easy pull tab on it. Okay, so the plan is take off the plastic. And this is it here. So it's a very clear, it's a very clear sign holder. So that's what the sign holder looks like there. And so what you can do is you can stick like a piece of paper in there, like a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper with something on it. I don't really have anything right here. I have this. Let's see, is that the right size? It's kind of the right size, not exactly, but you get the idea. So it can be like, you know, a sign holder for something. Like if I wanted to fold this up, I could fold these edges in here and in here. So I could have something in there, and then I could use these tapes here and tape it up to the wall. So for this particular one here, this is not the right size, and I can't mess with this. This is some collector item. But the idea, you'll put the sign on there and it'll be easily replaceable, so you can put these outside of an office or something. I'm gonna be using these at the Humane Society so they could say the medical room and have some picture of a dog with a stethoscope or something like that. And each of the different rooms can have their different areas set. So how cool is that? And then they just tape on the outside of the door and people know what's what. So really cool. And then if they do decide to change the other rooms or the adoption room or whatever it is, they can have that there. So really cool, and they're really nice, and nice thick acrylic. And it comes with all the stickers and everything, so all you need to do is print up a regular piece of paper in there and stick it in. So you're good to go. So really cool, I like it, thumbs up.